In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 10 stocks that I think are just about to 10x. So let's get into it. Going into the stock number 10 that I have for you guys, it's a stock I recently purchased yesterday. It's about like $4.69 per share. Actually got 43 shares of this thing. It's a stock with a ticker symbol TRIB. So let's go into it. Looking at this stock, guys, it's in the healthy technology sector. Its industry is actually the medical specialties. So let's take a look at the daily chart of this stock. Coming into the daily, you can see that this stock has been on fire over the past couple of months. It's coming from around like close to $1.5, $1.6, $1.7 per share, and it has skyrocketed all the way to $5.97 per share. So this is a great candidate for momentum, because when you are looking for momentum stocks, you're looking for stocks that actually had a huge massive run to the upside, and this is one of those like good candidate that had a massive run to the upside. Let's look at what's happening on this stock on the monthly chart. As you can see, this stock has just turned from a really terrible path. From here, it's coming all the way from $20 or $26 per share, and then it went down to about like $0.99 per share. So right now it's starting to build a momentum to the upside, and we just purchased this thing yesterday. I'm looking forward to take it to about $9.88 per share, take it up all the way to $13.28 per share. These are levels that I'm actually looking at for targeting for profit taking potentially. This is $19.43 per share, and this is the all-time high of the stock, which is $26.61 per share. I'm looking forward to actually taking this thing up all the way to breaking these all-time highs and taking it maybe to above, like, let me say $100 per share. So let's go on to look at the ninth stock or ninth pick that I have for you guys, and it has to be a stock with the ticker symbol AEYE. So it's a stock with the ticker symbol AEYE. I recently got this thing yesterday at about like $23.27 per share. Actually got 8 shares of this thing. So of this stock to be exact. Let's go inside this stock and see what AEYE has for us in store. So as you can see, guys, this is a stock that's in the technology service sector. They are in the internet or services industry with just about 84 employees. So this thing has been moving high for the day, but I'm interested on the daily chart. As you can see, it's been on the rise too, coming from price lows or price ranges of about $12.88 per share. It's currently right now sitting at $24.37 per share. Let's look at what the weekly chart of this thing has for us. Oh, the weekly chart is so amazing. It's like being all the way up, pushing all the way up since about March of 2020 or last year. It was actually trading at about $2.63 per share. It went on to break its all-time highs at about like $15.26 per share, moved all the way above $20.96 per share. It's currently at $24.37 per share. I'm looking at this thing to actually first clear this like high of $26.14 per share, and from there onwards keep on climbing or moving forward. But let's look at what the monthly has for us. Oh, the monthly, like as you can see right here, it got like a price, all-time price high of $32.17 per share, which we are just about to clear. So as soon as we clear this all-time high, that's when we're going to actually see the massive rise of this thing, like moving all the way high and high and high. I'm looking forward like to taking this thing to the triple digit share price, yeah, as it keeps on rising higher and higher. So without wasting much time on this thing, we need to move on to the 8th peak or the 8th stock that I have for you guys. And the 8th stock that I have for you guys, it gotta be this ticker symbol. Remember we were at AEYE, so the next one is going to be SPWR. So let's go inside SPWR. I got like 4 shares at about 40 something dollars per share. It's currently at about like $44 per share. It's up for the day, up like 1.9% for the day. As you can see right here, it's been like moving up for the day. Starting with the daily chart, what I like about this thing is that on the daily it's currently slowly retracing, which actually gives us like a good price to enter, as it's like kind of like slowly retracing. So it's giving us an opportunity to get in on a cheaper price than its high above $50 per share. Looking at the weekly is beautiful. Like this thing has been on the rise, this thing has been moving higher, coming from like let me see where we were at March 2020. We were somewhere at about $2.79 per share. We moved all the way up above we broke the high of $23 per share. We made a high at about $29.7 per share. We also broke it. Right now we made a high at like $53.88 per share, and then we are slowly retracing, and we will definitely or we are about to clear this high speculatively. So looking at how it looks like on its monthly chart, this thing like has been on the rise. It has been on the move. It cleared its all-time high at $27 per share, and is currently right now at almost double that amount when it peaked at $54.63 per share. We're sitting at $44.79 per share. I'm looking forward to seeing this thing actually clearing this high and continue to making more and more high. So let's move on to the 7th peak that I have in store. All these stocks are actually momentum stocks, like high growth stocks that are about to move and 10x and go beyond that. And these are super hot stocks, guys. It's not just like any kind of stocks. We are going to number 7. So this is like the 7th stock that I have for you guys. It's already up for the day 2.77%. Its ticker symbol is FUBO. So FUBO is my 7th hot stock pick for you guys. as you can see, it's been like it's been on the move. It's been on the move for most part of 2020, but then it peaked at $62.64 per share. After it peaked, look at what it did. Like, it retraced all the way back to $24.35 per share, and from there onwards it started picking up. It's now at $49.10 per share. So I just got into this thing, and I'm looking forward to move with it higher and higher, as this is like a good candidate for hot stocks or high growth stock. Look at like the beauty of the week. We recently cleared this high, all-time high at $45 per share, and we on aggregate, or like overall, we've been moving higher over the past year of 2020, including the early starting years of 2021. Looking at it from a month-to-month perspective, you can see that there's a lot of room for these things to the upside. Looking forward to actually clear these let me say highs of $219 to $20 per share, and coming with it to clear these highs of about close to $550 per share, and it got an all-time high at like north of $1K per share. So this is like a stock. It's in the consumer services industry. They are in the movies and entertainment, and they are currently sitting at about 208 employees. The ticker symbol of this hot stock is FUBO. So right now we are going to the sixth stock that I have for you guys, which is my sixth hot pick of the day that I think is about to double, triple, but mostly important, these stocks are most likely to 10x in just a short period of time. So the sixth stock that I have for you guys is currently trading at $20.17 per share. I got 9 shares of this thing yesterday as a market buy. It's called ASPN. So let's look at what ASPN got for us, guys. Coming into its daily chart, ASPN is currently trading at $20.70 per share. We are currently they had like about 304 employees, and their industries, industrial specialties. They are in the process industry sector. As you can see, this like stock has been on a massive run, or on a massive move over the past couple of days and the most part of 2020. So it makes it a high potential candidate of a high growth or super hot stock. Looking at its weekly, it's been like on the rise since it's days around like 2018. Almost all of 19 has been on the rise. We had a bit like of a glitch or drop in 2020, but after that, like, it's been moving higher, and is currently now trading at about $20 per share, and it's just early for this thing. As you can see, the monthly is at its all-time high. This is the all-time highest price the monthly it has ever been. So yeah, there's still room for this thing to grow. I'm looking forward to see it's like trading north of $100 per share. So I'm quite running out of time, and I'll cut this video and continue with it on the second video.